Well, Professor, what's going on for the Scallywags?
Welcome back, folks. Hey, sorry it's been a couple weeks since we've updated you on the Lady MT project. As always, spring quarter is the busiest of all, and per usual, we've been crazy busy here. Students are wrapping up the school year, working on lots of awesome projects throughout the lab. Motors being brought in, and Joe's class is doing their toilet stations down there, and very, very busy, exciting time here. But to give you a quick update at where we're at here with Lady MT is that we are really definitely coming down home stretch. Basically, the only big things left to do are to finally get our exhaust installed in there, and then we have just one more start battery that we're going to connect up, but most of that's actually already done as well. With the exhaust, old Professor Mike there custom fabbed up this beautiful 4-inch to 3-inch exhaust. The old exhaust, remember, is 4-inch, so we're going to leave that same overboard. We're going to come up from our new exhaust water lift muffler with 3-inch to this guy at the rise, and then it's going to dump out. It should be nice and low resistance. Beautiful. Even painted it. Here again is that low profile water lock muffler from Vetus that we're going to install right above the prop shaft there, crossing over from our exhaust manifold on the port side to the starboard side where we need to go up and over. So that's coming along nicely. That's the really kind of the big thing left to do. Piece of our nice silicone hose that we're going to be using from our exhaust elbow dropping down into the water lock muffler. What else do I have to show you here? Mike also made some nice little custom Trusta mounts that are going to be securing this guy down. Should be nice and solid down there. That's really very, very close to it. We have our exhaust overheat alarm is already installed up on the panel. Wires run back, so we just have to put the band on once we get our exhaust hose on there and connect those up. That'll be good to go. And we got our fridge put back in. Went down our checklist, kind of got most everything on it. We did have one small hiccup, as is always the case with custom boat, refittings here. When we went to go put our AC panel back in the cabin, it interferes by about a 1/4 inch with our new mechanical Morse control head that comes down. So, as always, it's never easy, but no problem. We've got our wood butcher Tim, who's gonna trim it out with some nice backing there. It's going to look better than it ever did. So coming along great there. So plan is we're wrapping up the school year. Next week students are doing finals and they're out of there. Mike and I are both out of here heading for Alaska. We'll be back to do the last little touch-ups on Lady M in August and sea trial in September and putting it up for sale. So we just want to make sure this thing really is totally dialed in for the future owner. We're very proud of her, and we want the future owner to be proud as well. So, all good here at Marine Tech.
Welcome to the Scallywags, located in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, where Skagit Valley College has been training technicians since 1968. If you are looking for industry certification and the skills to work in maritime, this is the place to visit. Our staff will share so much knowledge and experience, you will not be disappointed. The workforce demand is very high and all of our graduates are working around the world. If this sounds interesting to you, schedule a tour and come check us out.